Study vocabularies of phrases. Number 1, music band Krom Lantai. Number 2, famous Labai. Number 3, teenager Kamain Chumtung. Number 4, good at Jom Liang Kang. Number 5, fall in love with Job Chum Piat Nang. Number 6, have somebody chill out ជួយឲ្យអ្នកណាម្នាក់ស្ងប់ចិត្ត Conversation about a music band. Conversation about a music band. សន្ទនាអំពីក្រុមតន្ត្រីមួយ What's your favorite music band? What's your favorite music band? តើក្រុមតន្ត្រីដែលអ្នកចូលចិត្តគឺជាអ្វី I'm a big fan of One Direction. There are 5 singers in the band. I'm a big fan of One Direction. There are 5 singers in the band. ខ្ញុំជាអ្នកគាំទ្រដ៏ធំរបស់ One Direction មានអ្នកចម្រៀង5នាក់ក្នុងក្រុម Is it famous around the world? Is it famous around the world? ល្បីជុំវិញពិភពលោកមែនទេ Yes, it is. The band is well known around the world. Almost all teenagers love them. Yes, it is. The band is well known around the world. Almost all teenagers love them. បាទមែនហើយក្រុមតន្ត្រីនេះត្រូវបានគេស្គាល់ទូទាំងពិភពលោកក្មេងជំទង់ស្ទើរតែទាំងអស់ស្រឡាញ់ពួកគាត់ What's their taste of music? What's their taste of music? តើតន្ត្រីរបស់ពួកគេមានរសជាតិអ្វី They think pop music their most famous songs may be what makes you beautiful. They think pop music their most famous songs may be what makes you beautiful. ពួកគេច្រៀងចម្រៀង pop បទចម្រៀងដ៏ល្បីល្បាញបំផុតរបស់ពួកគេអាចជាអ្វីដែលធ្វើឲ្យអ្នកស្រស់ស្អាត What makes you beautiful? Are they good at dancing? Are they good at dancing? តើពួកគេពូកែរាំទេ Yes, I think so. I fall in love with their every step. Yes, I think so. I fall in love with their every step. បាទខ្ញុំគិតដូច្នេះខ្ញុំលងស្នេហ៍នឹងគ្រប់ជំហានរបស់ពួកគេ Have you ever seen them in real life? Have you ever seen them in real life? តើអ្នកធ្លាប់ឃើញពួកគេនៅក្នុងជីវិតពិតទេ Nope, I just watched them on the media. I wished I will see them one day. Nope, I just watched them on the media. I wished I will see them one day. អត់ទេខ្ញុំគ្រាន់តែមើលពួកគេតាមប្រព័ន្ធផ្សព្វផ្សាយប៉ុណ្ណោះខ្ញុំចង់ឃើញពួកគេនៅថ្ងៃណាមួយ How often do you come to their show? How often do you come to their show? តើអ្នកមកកម្មវិធីរបស់ពួកគេញឹកញាប់ប៉ុណ្ណា I watch videos almost every day. Listening to their songs helps me chill out. I watch videos almost every day. Listening to their songs helps me chill out. ខ្ញុំមើលវីដេអូស្ទើរតែរាល់ថ្ងៃការស្ដាប់បទចម្រៀងរបស់ពួកគេជួយឲ្យខ្ញុំស្ងប់ចិត្ត Can you sing their songs? Can you sing their songs? តើអ្នកអាចច្រៀងចម្រៀងរបស់ពួកគេបានទេ Yes, but only one song. I just keep thinking it over and over again every day. Yes, but only one song. I just keep thinking it over and over again every day. បាទប៉ុន្តែមានតែមួយបទទេខ្ញុំចេះតែច្រៀងម្ដងហើយម្ដងទៀតរាល់ថ្ងៃ Do your friends like them Do your friends like them តើមិត្តរបស់អ្នកចូលចិត្តពួកគេទេ Of course we usually watch their performances and discuss it together Of course we usually watch their performances and discuss it together ពិតប្រាកដណាស់ជាធម្មតាយើងមើលការសម្ដែងរបស់ពួកគេហើយពិភាក្សាជាមួយគ្នា Do they have anti friends Do they have anti friends តើពួកគេមានអ្នកប្រឆាំងទេ Yes every famous singer has anti fans Yes every famous singer has anti fans មែនហើយតារាចម្រៀងល្បីៗសុទ្ធតែមានអ្នកប្រឆាំង Study vocabulary refreshes Number 1 music band ក្រុមតន្ត្រី Number 2 famous ល្បី Number 3 teenager ក្មេងជំទង់ Number 4 good at ជំនាញខាង Number 5 fall in love with ជាប់ជំពាក់នឹង Number 6 have somebody chill out ជួយឲ្យអ្នកណាម្នាក់ស្ងប់ចិត្ត Number 7 performance ការសម្ដែង Number 8 fan អ្នកគាំទ្រ Number 9 anti fan អ្នកប្រឆាំង Thank you